Can we do it?
Drones are changing the way we see the world. From agriculture to infrastructure, disaster management to delivery services, they're making work faster, smarter, and safer. But to fly drones safely and effectively, training is key. That's why DGCA-approved RPTO, Remote Pilot Training Organization, training is essential for every aspiring drone pilot. The DGCA, or Directorate General of Civil Aviation, ensures that RPTOs follow the highest standards for safety, education, and skill building. DGCA-approved RPTO training teaches you everything from flying techniques to handling real-world scenarios. You get hands-on experience with certified instructors guiding you at every step. With this specialized training, you're prepared for practical applications, whether it's mapping landscapes, inspecting infrastructure, or managing agricultural operations. A DGCA-approved RPTO certificate is recognized across the industry, giving you the credibility and skills to stand out in a fast-growing field. And it's not just about flying a drone, it's about flying it safely, legally, and with the expertise needed to protect both people and property. Garuda Aerospace offers world-class RPTO training, approved by DGCA, helping you take the first step into a bright future in drone aviation. Are you ready to fly? Enroll today with Garuda Aerospace RPTO. The future of flying starts here.